everybody, look at me! I have my first ever Ipsy bag! Hey guys, it's McGann. I'm excited to see what Ipsy's all about because I've seen like 6 million ads for it. I mean, their advertising is hardcore, no joke. Okay, what have we got here? Ooh, I see the brush first, so I'm going after the brush. myfirmabeauty.com, and we've got kind of a flat-ish angled brush. Ooh, it's super soft. I love it. It's got a really nice thick handle. I like that too. Some of these are such tiny handles that my carpal tunnel's like, no, why? Then we have broccoli plumping mask that is vegan approved and something in Korean here. Solutions for signs of aging, tired skin, lack of vitality. Okay. Are there 2 samples? Looks like they're 2 different ones. Let's see if I can rip in here and find out. Yeah, okay, we have 2 different ones. They both have some Korean writing in the corner. This one is broccoli plumping mask, and this one's red fruits brightening mask. Both are vegan, both look like face masks, and yay, I love face masks. Now we have our bag, which is like super cute, all lemons everywhere. Reminds me of Lemon Grab from Adventure Time, remember? Unacceptable! Oh, and it says Ipsy on the ribbon here. That's a cute little touch. And inside we have some stuff. Alright, I do want to mention before we move on that the inside of this bag is lined and it's got this green lining, so that's really nice. It's a little bit extra fancy. No extra pockets on the inside, but it is like a pretty heavy-duty vinyl or plastic. It's kind of like a tablecloth feeling, but it's a lot thicker. So I think that this is a pretty durable bag. Then we have Ico London Black Magic Liquid Liner and Wide Lash, whatever Wide Lash means. Let's see. Looks like we've got a nice fine felt point eyeliner, which will be perfect for my travel to D23. Then Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape. I have no idea what that means. Hydrate. Okay, it's a primer. Hydrating primer, base, hydrate. Okay, so Tarte primer. Good to know. And this looks super cute. Moods by Laura Sanchez. Ooh, I love that. Cutesy little design on this package. So is this way up or down? Okay, up. Ooh, look at that blue. Oh, I love that blue. Let's test it out. Oh, it's so soft. It's like a velvety, and look at all that color. Oh man, that's got a good shimmer on it too. Oh, I love blues. Okay, so I think that's it. What are you? I think you're just our spoiler card. Now in season, Fresh Spring Beauty. That is our goodie list, and looks like we definitely got everything. And it says you can get any glam bag products you want on the 2nd of every month, starting at 6 a.m. PST, which is 9 a.m. on the East Coast, so that's not bad for me. Let's get this beautiful little package out here so everybody can see it. So let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items plus the bag, and I think Ipsy's what, $10, $11 a month? So that's not too bad. I mean, the brush is full size. The eyeliner will definitely be great to travel with, the primer too. Love that eyeshadow, and we'll see about the face masks later, but so far I'm pretty happy. I think Ipsy will stick around with me for at least another month. You know, it's made it to round 2 so far. Anyways, you've been listening to McGann Ramble On, and I'll see you next time, my dear family members.